Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Mistermezss kitchen. Today we are making chicken stew, but not just a chicken stew in a crock pot. This chicken stew is loaded with some chicken, of course, and also some vegetables and some seasoning. So if you have a crock pot at home and you don't know how to use it, this channel is for you. We are making a lot of crock pot recipes. Don't hesitate to smash that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. And of course, you can give me your impression in the comments. And now, if you are ready to learn how to make your chicken stew in a crock pot, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Alright, for this recipe we're going to use the whole chicken already cut. I bought it just like this. You have all the pieces together. So first we're going to open it. We are going to make sure our chicken is clean. So we're going to add it to our sink. We are going to wash our chicken with some vinegar and water at our end. You can let your chicken soak for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, you have to take out your chicken and add it to your pan. Once your chicken is nicely washed, make sure you pat them dry. We are going to start on our seasoning. We're going to add on some black pepper. Make sure it's nicely coated on both sides, and also some salt and some avocado oil. Make sure you rub it in very good. And also we are going to broil some onion, bell pepper, and more onion and carrot. After our chicken and veggies are nicely seasoned, we are going to add it to our oven and broil until golden brown. While my chicken is broiling, I'm going to go ahead and prep some vegetables. We are going ahead and dice one onion, just like so. We are also going to dice 3 pieces of celery. And of course, some more carrot. Just cut it in big chunk. Don't forget your parsley. Once your chicken is nicely broiled, now it's time to transfer to the crock pot. Add all your broiled chicken to your crock pot. And also you can add all your vegetables to your food processor. You're going to blend it up and add it to your crock pot. Don't forget to add in the juice. Once your vegetables are nicely blended, add it to your crock pot. Just like so. Along with all the vegetables we prepped earlier, we got onion, carrot, chopped parsley, 1 can diced tomato. Now it's time to season our stew. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon thyme, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon crushed pepper, and salt, pepper to taste. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons minced garlic and 4 cups chicken broth. You can also add in some potatoes because why not? And 4 tablespoons tomato paste. And finally cover and cook on high for 8 hours. So see you in 8 hours. 8 hours later, my chicken stew is all ready. I'm going to enjoy my chicken stew with some rice. Alright, after 8 long hours of wait, our chicken stew is ready. So let's go ahead and try it. right and done eating my chicken stew. It was amazing. The chicken was falling off the bone. The potatoes was melting in your mouth. It was simply bossingly bossing. Of course, I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try. Okay, we are here on this video. If you like my video, don't hesitate to give me a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And most important, hit the notification bell that way you don't miss anything. So, if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Peace!